Dear students, I am Uday Kant Aryan. All students know that next month, yani February, March, April, and May, your IIT exams, IIT mains exam. So, how to preparation in this some 10, 40 days, 45 days, you get the marks 200 above marks, 220, 210, 200 above marks. The first, all students remember chemistry portion. Chemistry, very easy subject, very easy subject, chemistry. So first all is to remember chemistry three part, physical, organic and inorganic. Three part, chemistry three part, or physical, organic and inorganic. The all student only NCRT book, only NCRT book, organic and inorganic studies. Okay. And physical chemistry, very important. Physical chemistry numerical type question. The physical chemistry, chemical bonding, atomic structure, chemical thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, chemical kinetics, and solid state. This 4 or 5, 6 topic question solve. And organic, inorganic, fully NCRT. Remember, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, full NCRT. No any extra book, only NCRT. Chemistry, remember. Only chemistry, easy topic. Chemistry, very easy topic. Very easy. And or in NCRT study, NCRT book first study. Organic and inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, NCRT, only NCRT study. Only NCRT study. And physical chemistry, again repeat, physical chemistry, atomic structure, chemical bonding, chemical thermodynamics, redox reaction, chemical kinetics, and surface chemistry. Only this part remember and solve the question, numerical solve the question, 10-year book, 10-year IIT question paper, take and solve the question, concept clear, formula remember, and 100% you IIT chemistry solves. Again, physics. Physics, general physics, very, very important. Heat, thermodynamics and heat. Thermodynamics and heat, very, very, very important. Thermodynamics and heat, three question answer. Three question, thermodynamics, asked every year, IIT exam, three question. General physics, Newton's law of motion, work power energy, gravitational, and rotational. These four topics remember. Again repeat. Newton's law of motion, work power energy, rotational and gravitational force. General physics. Again, modern physics. Modern physics very important. Modern physics very important. Solve the question of modern physics. Every year ask the question, three question answer every year. Modern physics. Again, electrostatics. Up to AC. Electrotesting, electric current, electromagnetic current, and AC, alternate current. This 4 or 5 topics. Ask IIT ask the question, 5 or 6 question asks. Optics, okay, optics has to study because optics your 12th paper, sir. 12th paper also optics, na? So optics already all students know, sir. 11th some all students forget because 11th last year, this year only for 12th. So 12th already all students remember, sir. Only 11th some confusion or some problem. So 11th thermodynamics, heat, and general physics already told. Okay. and math. Math, first remember basic concept: logarithm, modulus, greatest integer, least integer, and fractional part. This 5 point first remember. First. Again, start the topic. Complex number, quadratic equation, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. 5 to 4, 5 to 6 question, 100%. Coordinate geometry. And 12th already original studies. Vector 3D, very important. Area bounded curve, one question, 100% asked. One question every year asked IT, one question. Mathematical reasoning, very important. Mathematical reasoning, very important. Always remember mathematical reasoning. And application of derivative, limit continuity every year ask the question. So overall, first all student remember this topic complete. This 30-day, 40-day question, only for this topic remember. Only this topic remember and solve the question. IIT question solve, 10-year, 30-year question solve. NCERT first chemistry, NCERT preparation, NCERT study, physics, SC Verma solve, SC Verma very good book, SC Verma solve, and math, TMH book. TMH very good books and 37-year question bank per study. Any confusion, any doubt, any doubt, any subject, physics, math, any subject, chemistry, you contact me. My number 7975 280 248, and otherwise write the message kantude.2010@gmail.com. I 100% support, 100% support and study. Best of luck. Thank you.